Hello from Ohrid. It is 1st of November, 3:35, and it is the golden hour here in Ohrid city that you can see in the distance behind those plants. It is a wonderful sunny day and I am finally in Ohrid for a beach adventure. I already took a swim in the lake Ohrid earlier today, but that was in Struga, which is a city around 12 kilometers away from here. I am here in Ohrid with my family, and now I am here next to the Cuba Libre beach bar. As I was passing by the military beach, that is called like that is open for the public, but there were a lot more people over there, so I wanted to enjoy the sunset here alone. Or actually with less people, as there are some people having their drinks in the Cuba Libre beach bar. Ohrid Lake is the deepest lake on the Balkans and one of the deepest in Europe. And the whole city of Ohrid is protected by UNESCO, or actually the lake itself. And that means that it's another time for another beach adventure with Chris. So let's measure the temperature in the water before we go in for a swim. Let's see what do we have here today. Here the entry is a bit tricky to get in, but the views are amazing indeed. And there are lots of beach bars here along the coast, so it's quite nice to go in for a swim indeed. So let's see, what do we have? It was 16 degrees earlier where I measured in Struga. So I'm just wondering if the temperature is here the same in Ohrid. It should be. Slightly warmer over here, 17 degrees Celsius, but it is also warmer also in the air as well, 18 degrees Celsius currently. So let's then get going and have a swim in the lake of Ohrid. Look at how clean and clear the water is. And also I'm going to show you a glimpse of the city as well. Here the sand is a bit tricky. It seems like kind of a quicksand because you fall into it, but it is very shallow, and I'm the only person going in for a swim right now. And here we can see more from Ohrid city. I might do also a walk adventure over there in the city, and there is very nice fortress, the Samuel fortress on the top, and also two boats I have noted in the lake. Now obviously it is off season, 1st of November, but here it is full with people during the hot summer months. So with that said, it is time for Chris to have the first swim in Ohrid on YouTube, because I have been to this lake before many times when I was living in Macedonia, as this is my home country. So ready for a sunset swim? Let's go. It's amazing. The only bad thing now is that the sun is setting down very early, so you don't have that much of daylight to work with for the beach adventures that I'm usually doing. And Ohrid is a must visit if you are coming to Macedonia. There is also international airport, but there are only very few flights and mostly seasonal. I think there are flights from Vienna, Dortmund and Basel, But obviously you can come to Skopje and then take a bus from there or rent a car, as it is 3-hour bus ride from the capital city of Skopje. And this is what you will have as a view. Now, there are some better beaches, but the lake is the same, and it's one of the cleanest here in the Balkans. So, greetings from Ohrid, and I will be staying over tonight at one apartment, and tomorrow I'm going to be exploring some other beaches here in Ohrid. So, greetings from Ohrid. Thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel. Beach Adventures with Chris.